Okay, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, we discuss how we can look for trade. We have been looking for buy as a reversal since the price was here. So this is what we get there, but there was no continuation. And as we can see, based on daily chart, the price couldn't take the lowest price of this correction. Right now, whether we should consider as a divergence based on indicators or not, it depends on the strategy the traders they use, because we mentioned even we can expect the price drop to 1, all right? But again, we are more interested to look for buy as a long term. And if you get any reversal, any opportunity for buy as a long term, we will take it. And even if you move to forward chart, we see still we are within this correction. And now the question is whether we can look at this one. This means whether we can consider this one in relative to this or not. Okay, for sure, the best thing is if the price could break the lowest price of this correction, because we could conform with the divergence, and then from there we can look for the reversal. Anyway, we don't need to go into the details. And from now, if you put this low relative to the previous one, even based on MACD, we don't have the divergence, but base in the another indicator showing me the divergence. All right, what should we do? Whether we should look for trade or the buy or not? Again, we don't need to really care about the indicators. For me, I'm looking for buy. Okay, and the only times you can look for sell if the price reverses a corrective, it tends to deep a correction. Then from there, we can consider this one in relative to this as a flat. Since we didn't have the divergence, we couldn't call this one easy BC. We could expect, we can expect to see the flat. Then from there, we see whether we can look for the sell or not. Any sell is a short term, but we're looking for buy as a long term, all right, as a reversal. But based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup yet. And if I move to 1 hour chart, even we can expect the price continue and drop. This means we can expect the extension, but any reversal as a short move flag at this point, this is the only option we can look for buy. Having entry above this can be an option, but in that case, we want a price sharply tag, break, and continue. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.